How to get CapCut Pro for completely free the right way. I'm sure if you're a CapCut user, you notice that most, if not all, the features that used to be free are no more free. They're all pro features. And in this video, we're going to get the entire pro features for free. Are you ready? If yes, smash that subscribe button, hit the like button if you haven't done so yet. It's also free. Let's get started. So yeah, guys, we're going to get the current version of CapCut. Head into your browser and type CapCut and click the first link that will be shown to you. Will take you to the official CapCut website, which is capcut.com. Once the link opens, you'll see downloads. Click on the download button and the download will immediately start. So it's currently downloading. Once it's finished downloading, just double click to install it. When you double click to install it, just follow the process. This is the current version of CapCut, the ones that has all the pro features. So just follow the steps and install CapCut. Now, once CapCut is finished installing, at the top right, you see settings. Click on settings and choose settings. Then under the project, you will see where your file is supposed to be saved after editing. So click on it. You can save it in any location you want in your PC. After choosing, you click on select folder and then you save. Now, click to start a new project. Import the video you want to edit. After importing the video you want to edit, add it to the timeline to start your edit immediately. Now we're going to add different effects. We're going to add pro effects to it. So let's add some effects. Let's add some effects. So as you can see, all of these features are now pro. These features used to be free, now they're pro. So let's add some effects to it. Let's add a filter to it. Let's see which filter we'll use. Okay, I've seen this filter, this CCB filter. It looks a bit nice, so let's use it. It's a pro feature, but don't worry, we're going to get it. We're going to use it. We just added a pro feature. So let's add another pro feature. So I've added another pro feature. Let's also add another one. So let's also scale this thank you in as well. So we've added our pro features. Now what you will do is pay attention to this. This is the part where it's very tricky. So pay attention. We're going to highlight our entire clip and right click and choose create a compound clip. So it's going to turn the entire different features into one clip, into one video clip. So as you can see, it has turned the entire, all those extra features we added into one clip. But those features are still there. We'll say, okay, this is the feature we added. This is the thank you we added. So all the features have just combined into a compound clip, which means one clip. Okay, I forgot something. If you try to export this now, you see all the features we use, all the pro features. It's going to tell us join pro, but we don't want to do that. So what you do now is right click on it and select pre-process. Your video is going to start pre-processing. So you have to wait for the video to pre-process and finish. As you can see, it's pre-processing. Let's give it some minutes or some seconds to pre-process and finish. So after a video is finished, the clip has been pre-processed. As you can see, this is the file name 1021. Head on to your file location where you chose at the beginning. You see this is the exact file name 1021. And after you go to resources and then you go to combinations. As you can see, this is our video clip here. This is our video clip that is ready. So all those pro features I've added that in this video. So you can choose now to either upload this video to social media platforms or you can change your file location. If you change your file location and put it in this video file location, you see the video still has all the pro features that we use and you can use it anywhere. All those pro features are still there. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get CapCut Pro for completely free the right way. I know some of us are still starting out and we can't afford to pay for monthly subscription to use CapCut Pro or to use the current version of CapCut. Okay, so stick around to the end of this video because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step method on how to get CapCut Pro for completely free or these pro features for completely free. Okay, greetings my people, my name is Zane. I'm a web developer. So if you need a website for your business, for your company, do where to wish me out. The link to my WhatsApp will be in the description of this video. Welcome back for returning subscriber, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing because only a subscription I'm very grateful for that. And on this channel, I create videos, contents on tech, how to make money online, content strategy, and YouTube goal. So if this content interests you, consider subscribing. God bless you. Okay, up to the video. Let's get right to the video. Okay, what you want to do is head over to your favorite browser and I'll choose Chrome and type up to down. Okay. Once you type up to down is click the first thing that will show to you. Will take you to the interface of up to down. This is the home page, and what you want to do now is go to your search bar or to your search icon, click it and type CapCut. Okay, once you type CapCut, you see CapCut will appear, and the current version is 18.1 on Zing. So you want to scroll down where you see old version. So when you see old version right there, you click it and you scroll down, you see a versions of CapCut. So what we want to do is we want to download a version that has all its features that are in this current version that are free and are completely free. So we want to go to a version where we'll access all these pro features for completely free. Okay, so just scroll down. I'm just going to fast forward this. Okay, just going to fast forward. I go to the version. I remember back in the days when I used to use CapCut back in 2022, 2023, those features they were free. Okay, so we want to go to a version like 7.0. So we'll click on it. Sorry for the talk back in here. Okay, so when you click on 7.0, you'll see download with up to down. So click on it, and up to down will be downloaded to your device. So you just open it, you install it. So once you click on install, up to that, it's going to be installed on your phone. Okay. Okay, so it's installing. We just have to give it some time. Okay, once it's done installing, just open it. Okay. So once you open it, you see accept and download. So you just click on it. Sorry for the talk back here at the background. Sorry, guys. So if you have to allow the permission for up to them, so you just click me. Go back. So CapCut will automatically start this stuff. But I think this is a core version of CapCut, which is 18.1. So we don't want this version because it's still going to restore those, those pro features, the current version. So what we want to do is we want to cancel this download. Ask you, do you really want to stop? We say yes. Okay. Now we want to source the old version of CapCut. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down, or we're going to search CapCut again once. No. So you just search CapCut. Now it's really up to down, app itself. So once you search CapCut, you just scroll down and you see. Okay, so once you type CapCut, you just scroll down and you see versions. We click on versions. So once you click on versions, you see a different version and you want to select version 7. So you just have to, navigate to the version mode you want to download. So I'm going to fast forward this process so it doesn't take us super time. Okay, so this is our version 7.0, which was October 2022. So you have to download this version. Okay, so let's give you some time to download. Okay, so once it's done downloading, what we want to do now is a stop. To just click on it and get started. So CapCut version 7 is installed on our phone. So let's go back to home to see if it's installed. So just go, as we can see, this is CapCut. So we open it and let's say accept. Okay, so let's create a new project. Just click on new project. Alarm. Okay, so let's just select this URL edit. Just take color, just for that. Leave the watermark. Okay, so where's your watermark visual? Lots of important visual. Let's explore these features. Sure. Let's explore some of these features Pro in the current version. So what I always want to explore is, let's say, filters. So if you click on filters, we see all the filters here are free. Okay, there's no pro attached to it. So as you can see, all these features are free. Okay, so let's go back and explore another feature. Let's go to detail effects. So if you click on visual effects, you see all these features that are on the current version are all free warranty. So as we can see, it's free. Both features are free, guys. All these features are free, as you can see. So let's go back and explore another feature that in the current version is full. Let's go to something like, let's say, let's go to the extract sound, because extracted sound is always you have to detach it sound from your visual. Let's go to extract OG. So as you can see, this feature is also free. So most, if not all, the features on this version are free. So this is literally CapCut Pro. Okay, so as we can see, all these features here are free. Wow. Okay guys, so if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribe. Please, we are on the way to 2K subscribers, and please join the family as we meet 2K subscribers. Please, I'm begging you, subscribe and give a like to this video as well, so YouTube may know this video is useful and push it to many people as possible. You can consider sharing as well with some of your friends that have been paying or that have been doing subscription on CapCut. I mean, if you can do the subscription, fine, but if you can't, use this way, and I always happen in that way. So see you in the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe.